When you want full control over which part of a website to scan, like a specific sale, brand, or curated page, Product Finder's category URL scan gives you that flexibility. It's great for targeting store sections that might not show up in easy bulk or quick picks, like limited time deals, seasonal collections, or custom landing pages. To get started, head to the Search tab, open Product Finder, and click Find Products in the top right. Now, choose your scan type. Efficient is the one we recommend. It uses a mix of live and cached data, so you get solid results quickly without overloading the scan. If you want the most up-to-date data pulled directly from the site, go with Online. Just keep in mind it might take longer. Or if you'd rather customize everything, choose Custom for full control over how the scan runs. After that, select where you want to source from and sell to, then click Next Step to continue. Choose Add Category URLs as your scan type. This lets you scan a specific section of a site by pasting in the category link. When you click the box, you'll see an example to help guide the format. You can also click Help to search between our domains and see examples for each one of them. Paste the category URL into the field, then click the plus button to add it to your scan. For more than 25 URLs, upload a spreadsheet with up to 500 links. You can use a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file from your computer, or import it directly from Google Drive. Click Sample to download a template that shows the correct format. Next, set up your scan filters. You can use a preset or customize the filters based on your sourcing strategy. By default, you'll see a list of commonly used filters. Just toggle them on to apply. Some filters have default values, like minimum gross ROI 0.1%, but you can adjust them to match your sourcing preferences. We recommend keeping filters light at this stage so you can cast a wider net and gather more results. You'll still be able to fine-tune your criteria later from the results page. Over on the right side, you'll see a few optional settings. You can give your scan a name, which makes it easier to find it later if you're running multiple searches. You can also turn on notifications if you want to get an alert when the scan finishes. Once you're all set, go ahead and click Start Scan. You'll see an estimated completion time. And don't worry, you don't need to keep your browser open while it runs.